Hi everyone, my name is John Alexis Guerra Gomez, and in this video I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction to my web development course. So if you want to find more information about this, you can always go to my website johnguerra.co, and then you can click on this link in here that says classes, and then just go and visit all of my previous websites for all of my classes. So here is one of the syllabus that I have for the class, the one that I'm currently teaching in spring 2020, and then you can find all the information about what we cover in this class. This is a very project-based class with at least 4 to 5 projects where you're going to be building real-world applications, full stack applications, all the way from the back end to the front end. In that sense, we are going to learn all the basics, and we start with HTML5 and CSS in modern technologies. And it's going to be extremely JavaScript based using the latest standards of ECMAScript, either ECMAScript 6 or even greater. We start from there, and then we learn, and the first project you're going to be building your home page, just creating like basic HTML, vanilla, JavaScript, and so on and so forth. And then from there, we are going to start learning things about Node.js and how it can be used in combination with Express to create basic applications, backend applications that can be augmented also with Mongo database. We are not going to focus too much in the Mongo database. That goes more into our database course, but we are still going to be using the basics for that. So in there, for the second project, you're going to be building a full application, full stack using Mongo, Node, Express, and then some HTML5. After that, we are going to be starting to work and learn about React and how it can be a framework for creating dynamic client-side render applications using the same framework that we had before, plus this new technology. And then with that, you create like your third project, and for your fourth and maybe final, depending on how the class goes, you're going to learn many other things, like from web design, what is web accessibility, what is important, the security concepts on how to create a good website, how to run a usability study and use that for improving your class, and many more things. This is a very dynamic class. It requires a lot of work. If you want to see the different types of projects students have been developing on this, you can always click on this link of project submissions and then check out like the different applications that the students have been creating, not only for this semester, but also for previous semesters. Like for instance, this is my fall 2020 course. And then in here, you can find more information about that. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. More than happy to take them. Just remember, this is a lot of work in sense of the amount of hours that you need to spend, but at the same time, you're going to get a lot of it because you get a lot of projects that you can put on your curriculum, and also you will going to be developing top skills that are required in the current market for a full stack developer. So feel free to reach out and let me know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to having you in my class.